1999 P Connecticut Quarter. The 1999 P Connecticut Quarter is part of the 50-state quarters program initiated by the United States Mint to commemorate each of the 50 states. Design: the Connecticut Quarter specifically highlights the charter oak, a famous white oak tree in Hartford that played a significant role in American history. 1999 P Connecticut Quarter value. As for its value, the 1999 P Connecticut Quarter is generally considered a common coin. Its value is primarily based on its condition, and unless it is in uncirculated or near mint condition, it is likely worth its face value of 25 cents. Collectors may be interested in obtaining coins with specific mint errors or varieties, but for an average circulated 1999 P Connecticut Quarter, the value is minimal. Introduction and history: coin collecting, also known as numismatics, is a fascinating hobby that transcends time and connects enthusiasts to the rich history of civilizations. One of the most notable series in modern numismatics is the 50-state quarters program initiated by the United States Mint. Among these, the 1999 P Connecticut Quarter stands out with its depiction of the charter oak, a symbol of historical significance. In this essay, we will explore the broader world of coin collecting, the significance of state quarters, and the historical context of the charter oak. The value of the 1999 P Connecticut Quarter. While the historical and cultural significance of the 1999 P Connecticut Quarter is undeniable, its monetary value is often a subject of curiosity for collectors. Unlike rare and sought-after coins, this particular quarter is generally considered common. Its value is primarily determined by its condition. Factors influencing value: the condition of a coin, graded on a scale from poor to mint state, greatly influences its value. Uncirculated or near-mint coins are more desirable to collectors and may command a higher price. Additionally, any mint errors or varieties, such as double dies or misprints, can increase the coin's value. Market trends and demand: the market for collectible coins is dynamic, influenced by factors such as economic conditions, collector trends, and historical anniversaries. While the 1999 P Connecticut Quarter may not be a high-value coin, it holds sentimental and historical